Okay. I guess at low power, this is like obviously it's like a cystic, kind of like dilated vascular space in this lesion. It's not really infiltrative, so it's kind of like well localized. And you kind of zoom in on higher power. It um, it looks thin walled. You see
Yeah,
like um, the vessel is kind of irregular, I guess. And but you don't really see any significant like cytologic atypia.
agree.
So it's kind of a blood lake or a venous lake.
Yeah, very good. Right. Nothing too special about this vessel except that it's huge, right? Very, very big. And yet a vessel this big normally would have more muscle wall, but instead this thing's like one endothelial cell thick with almost like it looks kind of like a telangiectasia, except it's like 1,000 times too big and it's got blood in it. And then, most of the blood here is washed out during processing, but clinically they would have said this is a compressible purple violaceous lesion, really dark. And then oftentimes once they biopsy it, a bunch of blood comes out, right? Because it's blood filled. So these are called venous lakes, and we see them often on the face, sometimes the lip. They can get thrombus in them. They can be in other sites, but they're just a big dilated thin walled vessel that has blood in it. That's it. Nothing too fancy or special about it. And they're usually one big lumen, but sometimes they can have a couple lumens, but not as many lumens as you'd expect in like an actual vascular malformation or hemangioma. So Venus Lake, benign.